of you know that carol. You will hear it many, many times as you are going about your Christmas festivities and your shopping this year. And as you hear it, I want to challenge you to remember something that we heard in the back seat of our car one time when our girls were very young. We were on our way to a Christmas church service, and in the back seat they were singing carols as children will often do. And to the top of their little lungs they were singing Joy to the World. And they sang that first line, Joy to the world, the Lord is come. And the next line says, Let every heart prepare him room. Except, as children often do, they didn't quite get the words right. They sang it how they thought they heard it. And we've heard many of these before, but from the back seat of our car came these words. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart repair his room. There is such a great truth in that. Let every heart repair his room. You see, because my heart was created to be the place that God resides, and sin caused that to not be true. We live in a fallen world, a world that God did not create as it is. He made it perfectly, but then sin came into the world, and Jesus came to give us back what we lost. And really, I like the way the girls sang that song. Let every heart repair his room. Make your heart suitable for the King of Kings. Prepare it for him. Let him come where he desires to be. If you know him, then your heart is his. Make it an acceptable place. Celebrate that this season. If your heart is not his, repair it. Let him come in. Give him your life and your heart. And this can be the greatest Christmas season, full of the greatest joy that you can ever know. I pray that you'll do that. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you on our next devotion. Thanks. Bye.